Hello everybody, today we're going to subtract rational expressions and then simplify if possible. So we have 2x squared over 3x minus 6 minus 5x minus 2 over 3x minus 6. Now, since I have the same denominator, I can subtract the numerator. So 2x squared minus 5x minus 2 over the denominator, 3x minus 6. Now, if you notice, I put a parentheses behind the negative. It's because when I'm subtracting here, I'm subtracting 5x and negative 2. Okay, so make sure you have the parentheses, okay? So now we have to simplify. We have to distribute the negative. You have 2x squared minus 5x. You can picture there is an invisible 1 here. Negative 1 times 5x is negative 5x. Negative 1 times negative 2 is plus 2 over 3x minus 6. Now we need to simplify if possible. So we need to try to see if we can factor this one out. So if we want to factor this on the side, 2x squared, the first term, then this one must be 2x, this one x. You cannot get 2x squared any other way. When we do the FOIL, we get 2x squared. Now we need to have two numbers here whose product is 2. Okay, so the only way I can get 2 is by multiplying 1 times 2. And since the middle term is negative, then they must be both negative. So the question is, where do I put the negative 2 and where do I put the negative 1? Now this is going to be important because the coefficient of x here is not 1. Now, if you think about it, if you put a negative 2 in here, what do you notice? You notice that the GCF is 2. You can factor the 2 out. Okay, but I don't have a GCF of 2 in here. So this one must be wrong. You cannot have a 2 in here. Okay, it must be here. And then the negative 1 would be here. You can also almost check it right away from here. When you multiply negative 2 by 2x, you get negative 4x. The outer terms and the inner term, negative 1 times x is negative x. Okay, so negative x minus 4x, that give me negative 5x. And that's my middle term. That's what I want. So we have the factoring for 2x squared minus 5x plus 2. You have 2x minus 1 times x minus 2 divided by, now what can I factor from the denominator? You notice that the GCF is 3. So we factor 3 out and we get x. So 3x divided by 3 is x. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So you have a minus 2. You notice this simplifies. We have a common binomial in the numerator and the denominator. They cancel out. And the answer is 2x minus 1 over 3. So we subtract the rational expression and we simplify. I hope you find this video helpful. See you next video. Bye-bye.